Beneath the sand, death breathes nitric vapor, the eastern Beewolf's laboratory of silence. With surgeon's precision, the great golden digger wasp digs graves beneath the desert's breathless calm. Inside her silent crypt, the digger wasp anoints her prey in invisible nitric vapor. Inside the buried cell, invisible gases wage a war no predator can see. Hours pass in silence. Has the prey truly died, or simply stopped time? But deep within the tomb, life stirs again. Decay reborn beneath her perfect seal. She returns to the tomb, not to mourn, but to cleanse her dominion again. Beneath the quiet sands, life endures, not clean, not kind, but complete. Next, dung beetle. Rolling waste into life, hidden life adventure. Subscribe for more.